Hi, I'm Bree, and today I will be making mummy dogs. Who doesn't love the spooky season and all the different parties that you can throw for them? Today, these mummy dogs are going to be centered around a kids' party. So you guys, let's get started with some mummy dogs. So on my board here, I have some crescent dough. This one that I have here, I found it in strips. For these mummy dogs, these strips of crescent dough are gonna work super good. And in the in the refrigerated section where you would normally find the pop can crescent dough, this is labeled as crescent rounds. So you guys, I have parchment here. And as you can see, every time I'm rolling these, because I'm trying to get them just a little bit thinner, they're sticking to the parchment. I'd much rather have the dough stick to the parchment than the actual board itself. Just a little bit easier. So we have one strip. This one here, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 strips. That's gonna make 8 dogs. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and grab a hot dog. So what we're gonna do is I am using my pizza cutter because I tell you, it is so much easier to cut thinner pieces using my pizza cutter. So many uses for this. Grab it for your holiday pies too, because guess what? It just makes it a little easier. So we're gonna start at the top, and we just want to wrap this around. There is no rhyme or reason to how you're gonna wrap this, because we also have that other piece too. But we just want it a little bit thinner so it looks like gauze. You guys also, please make sure you keep a little space so that we can put some eyes in there when they come out of the oven. And for the eyes, we are going to use That's Mine ketchup, the organic kids ketchup. It's delicious. It's gonna give these mummy dogs a spooky look with some bloodshot eyes. So you guys, there's one mummy dog. Let's go ahead and get through the rest of these. All right, you guys, so we have our 8 mummy dogs here. They are gonna go into a 375-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Why am I giving you a 10 to 15-minute time range for these to cook? Because everyone's oven is different. And also, if you make the strips thinner, they're gonna cook faster, right? So just keep an eye on them. You want them a beautiful golden brown. Well, I'll see you in 10 to 15 minutes. So you guys, it is almost time for our mummy dogs to come out of the oven. There's the buzzer right now. Let me go grab them. All right, you guys, I forgot to grab a hot pad for here. So let me grab one out of the drawer. All right, so we have our hot pad and we have our mummy dogs. Fun. So normally hot dogs are ketchup and mustard. Mustard is one of my favorites, but also That's Mine Kids Organic Ketchup has pretty much taken the place of mustard on hot dogs for me. So you guys, let's get this ketchup in our cute little bowl here. And also look at this board I got at Target the other day. It is brand new this year, 2022. Go grab one. They are fun and it's sure to take your Halloween party to the next level. So you guys, let's move this down just a little bit there. All right, so we have our ketchup bowl because we're gonna use this ketchup too. So I'd rather get it started in the bowl. All right, give it a good shake. Isn't that so cute? And you can leave the bottle out too. But you guys, I also have some crafts coming up using That's Mine bottles. So let's go ahead and pour the ketchup in there. All right, lovely. Leave this close because I am sure the kiddos will go back for more ketchup and even more ketchup. All right, so when we are looking at our mummy dogs, What we want to do is we want to find the perfect spot for a little face. And if you need to move the crescent dough a little bit, go for it. It moves really easily, as you just saw there, because we want to get some spooky eyes on here. So I have my round toothpicks here. I am not going to use the little pointy end. I'm going to use the bigger end to make some eyes. So let's just get that in our That's Mine ketchup. And it's blending in, which is perfect because, you know, you don't want the eyes to stand out too much. You want them to blend in. So I'm gonna put that down there. Can you guys see those little eyeballs on there? Super, super cute, very, very light, but they are there to make our little face. So let's get through the rest of these, and there we go. Okay, you guys, I am done putting the eyeballs on the mummies. So let me just wipe my hands real quick and I'll be back to show you the finished product and clean some of this up too. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so we have one recipe done for a super fun kids Halloween party. Oh my goodness, I have to say, if there is a chance for me to do something themed, something fun, I am going to do it, always. I love to do anything and everything themed. So I am so excited for a Halloween party with my kiddos and my nieces in the very near future. But you guys, that Halloween party would not be complete without some mummy dogs that have been dipped in That's Mine Kids organic ketchup. Y'all take care, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.